Welcome to the College of Acupuncturists of Alberta's Member Portal Tutorial Series. Before we get started, it is important to note that the Member Portal functions best when using the Google Chrome browser. To create an account on the college's Member Portal, go to the college's website and then press the Registrants Portal button. Click on Sign Up. Type in your email address. Click Next. Type in your first and last name. Choose your gender, and if you would like, you can include your phone number. Then enter the code and agree to the terms of service. Then click Sign Up. You will then receive an email to confirm your Member Portal account. At this point in the process, you will need to sign into your email account and click on Complete Registration. You will then be prompted to create a password. Choose a password and then click the Save button. You can now log into your account. Type in your email address and password and click on Log In. To read a step-by-step guide for creating an account, visit the Member Portal support page on our website. If you still have questions, do not hesitate to reach out to the college by emailing info@acupuncturealberta.ca or calling us at 780-466-7787. We are standing by to provide support.